I'm Catherine, one of the Exercise Physiologists at BJC Health. It's a busy time of year at the moment with the holidays and the New Year period, and many of our patients tell us that with all the busyness of the holiday period comes more cooking, cleaning, shopping and decorating, and this can be challenging on the body. So today I wanted to show you some 3 tips that you can try to help you get through the holiday period. Tip number 1. If you're anything like my family, the holidays are a time for family feasts, and that means lots of cooking. A tip for preparing your food is to sit down while chopping food like vegetables. This can reduce the load on your legs and your back and allow you to feel more comfortable for longer periods of time. Tip number 2. Lower back pain when standing or sitting for prolonged periods of time can make it challenging to do all the holiday preparations. Try using a little stool under one foot when sitting or standing to elevate the leg to reduce the loading off your lower back to manage lower back pain. Tip number 3. Break up the big jobs into smaller things that can be spread out. For example, instead of trying to clean the whole house in the one go, break up cleaning the houses into different rooms and spread that out during the day. So I hope that these tips are helpful to make your holidays a little bit easier. I hope you have a happy holidays and see you in the new year.